Giving smooth peanut butter to babies and throughout early childhood could give lifelong protection against peanut allergy, researchers say. Teenagers who ate it up to age 5 were 71% less likely to develop an allergy than if the food was shunned. The team at King's College London advised parents to offer peanut butter during weaning, then regularly and in large amounts until age 5. Under 5s should not eat whole or chopped peanuts due to choking hazards. The idea of giving peanut butter to babies and young children will horrify a generation of parents who were told to avoid the food due to the fear of allergies. The advice at one point was to avoid peanuts completely until age 3, but peanut allergies are becoming more common, now affecting 1 in 50 children, and the ingredient is now banned from many schools. The King's College research has shown the original advice was wrong. Instead, early life is a critical period for the immune system to learn to recognize friend from foe. Food allergies are the result of our immune system mistaking something harmless for a severe threat. It is why a small amount of peanut can cause an overwhelming and life-threatening reaction in somebody with an allergy. Around 15 years ago, 640 children at high risk of peanut allergy started taking part in a clinical trial. Half avoided peanut, and half had it as part of their diet between 4 months old and 5 years old. The original results showed eating peanut butter led to a dramatic reduction in allergies by the time children celebrated their 5th birthdays. But would that protection last, or would those children need to take peanut constantly to stay protected? The findings, now published in NEJM Evidence, showed the protection lasts whether children kept eating peanut or removed it from their diet. In their teenage years, some 15 out of every 100 high-risk children that avoided peanut as an infant developed an allergy. Just 4 out of every 100 high-risk children that regularly ate peanut as an infant developed an allergy. It marked a reduction in allergy of 71%. Whether children kept eating peanut after 5 did not matter. I'm delighted to see this protection continues into adolescence, Prof. Gideon Lack from King's College London told the BBC. He added, "We have good reason to believe for the life of the individual, it is extremely unusual to see new onset of peanut allergy in adolescent years. This simple intervention will make a remarkable difference to future generations and see peanut allergies plummet." The team advises including a soft paste of peanut butter or peanut puffs into a baby's diet once they are ready for solids. This is when they can stay in a sitting position, holding their head steady, coordinate their eyes, hands and mouth so they can look at their food, pick it up and put it in their mouth and swallow food, rather than spit it back out. After that point, peanut butter can be consumed 3 to 4 times a week, adding up to around 1.5 or 2 tablespoons of peanut butter a week. It means the body's first experience of peanut is in the tummy, where it is more likely to be recognized as food rather than on the skin, where it may be more likely to be treated as a threat. The team suggests starting at 4 months if possible, as this is before food allergies tend to emerge. However, the UK's National Health Service says parents can give smooth peanut butter to children from 6 months old, and the World Health Organization argues for exclusive breastfeeding for the first 6 months. It remains unclear whether children need to consume peanut for the full 5 years to reduce the allergy risk, or if just the impact is confined to the early period of their development. Prof. Lack says the safest and wisest thing to do would be the full 5 years, as we're talking about normal nutritious foods, not medication. The team estimates that 100,000 cases of peanut allergy could be prevented globally every year. The U.S.'s National Institute of Allergy and Infectious Diseases funded the King's College study. The organization's director, Dr. Jean Marazzo, said, "Today's findings should reinforce parents and caregivers' confidence that feeding their young children peanut products beginning in infancy, according to established guidelines, can provide lasting protection from peanut allergy." Thank you for watching Topics on Trend. Go ahead and check out another trending video on our channel here.